Welcome back to Live from the Camper. My name's Tony, and today we're making banana bread bites. Yeah, it's been a while since we brought these molds out, and I was thinking, I've done brownies, I've done cornbread, I've done egg bites. What else could I do with these things? And I was thinking, I sure love banana bread. So let's try making banana bread bites. Are you ready? Good, let's get cooking. Now, instead of baking them in the Ninja Foodie, we're going to use the pressure cooker method. I like that better. It makes it dense, less crummy, so if you're driving down the road and you pop one in your mouth, you're going to have crumbs all over the place. And I have a super easy recipe for you. We're going to do 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, which I've already put in there, 1/4 of a cup of melted butter, which is 4 tablespoons, 1 egg, 3 bananas, 1 cup of sugar. That's it. So I've added the 1.5 cups of flour and the 1 teaspoon of baking soda in there. Mix that up. All right. Now let's get those bananas and put them in the bowl. And let's smash them up. All right, now we've mashed that banana up. Let's drop in 1 egg. That 1/4 of a cup of melted butter. One cup of sugar. And let's mix it all up. Now that you have that all mixed together, let's pour in that flour and baking soda. Let's mix that in. Now you can use any banana bread recipe that you want. If you want to add nuts, fruits, or whatever you want to add to it, you can. I'm going the super basic, super easy recipe. All right, now that you got that mixed in, let's put in 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's mix that in. Yeah, I did pretty good. I'm wearing a black shirt and just got a little flour on it. Usually I look like a hot mess. And there's a consistency you want right there. All right, let's do a magical cleanup. Let's go ahead and hit it with a little pan. And do that to the other mold as well. Get you a little spoon of some sort, and let's fill them up. If you've been enjoying my videos, go ahead and hit that little red button down there in the corner and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell, bing, so you know when my new videos come out. I went ahead and wiped the tops of these off, got it nice and clean. Looks like we're gonna get 10 banana bread bites out of this one batch. Now it's time to pressure cook. Back to the magic. How did he do that? Let's go ahead and open up the Ninja Foodie. Add 1 cup of water. Let's drop in that trivet thingy on the low. Now get a couple sheets of aluminum foil. Let's go ahead and wrap the tops. Don't seal it, don't wrap it real tight. Just enough to keep the water out of it. now that you got them wrapped, let's just put them right on the trivet. Stack it right on top. Now let's put on our pressure lid, set it to seal, and we're gonna pressure cook for 50 minutes. 50. See, 50 minutes. So we pressure cooked for 50 minutes, then we did a 15-minute natural release. Now, let's let the rest of the pressure out. Shouldn't be that much. Ooh, I can smell that banana bread. Now, let's take out the trivet. Be careful not to burn yourself. All right, let's move all this around. Boom! That's better. All right, let's take the top off here. Oh, look at those. Let's give it a check to make sure they're cooked all the way. Oh yeah, it's good. All right, let's pop them out of the mold. See, no stick. Just be careful because they are hot. And to get them out of the mold, I'm just kind of pressing the bottom up and pulling them out. Just kind of push the mold right there. Whew. Ladies and gentlemen, we have banana bread bites made in the Ninja Foodie. Now they're super hot, so I'm gonna let them cool off for a few minutes and then we're gonna give them a try. So I've let them cool down for about 5 minutes now. So let's give it a try. Man, these things are dense, they're heavy. I love it. That's what I love about pressure cooking. If you make regular banana bread, it's all crummy and everything. You wanna eat this in the car or on the go? Look, no crumbs. But how does it taste? Well, I'm gonna put butter on it, but let's try it by itself first. And it's still a little hot. Oh man, that is fantastic. Really strong banana flavor, nice and sweet. It's like a cake. Freaking love this thing. I'm gonna put a little butter on it now. Well, I've just figured out how to make something that's delicious even better. A little butter on these things. These are a perfect snack. They're perfect on the go. Heck, they're a perfect dessert. Well, I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Good, let's eat.